Hello Mzansi, on this episode, Umacele goes to Mzumbe to her homestead to check up on Sne. Umacele has two houses, one in town and one in the villages. So Usne currently lives in the homestead in Mzumbe. Sne is currently pregnant with baby number 3. You can tell by her body weight. She has gained so much weight. Sne is pregnant and she is separated with her baby daddy. But the father of the kid is another guy's child. Umacele is disappointed, Isne. Boy, oh boy, I just want to see Musa Mseleku's reaction when he finds out that Usne is pregnant, not by the baby daddy, but another guy's child. We got to see a side of Musa Mseleku being a family man, being caring, being sweet, being a loving father and a husband, spending time with Umangwabe's kids. And he disclosed that Umangwabe's last born has a mental disorder. She attends a special school, and Baba Mseleku says that the way Mangwabe loves her kids, it makes him to love her even more. It actually now makes sense that Umangwabe is actually overprotective because all Musa Mseleku's kids, they go in one transport except Umangwabe, so she's overprotective over her kids. Musa Mseleku then went to visit Umayeni. They took a walk and then to catch up and rekindle their love. That's how they connect and vibe. Umpumelelo came through to their parents and they discussed the issue of Umpumelelo marrying the baby mama, and his father said that he won't pay lobola for Umpumelelo on his behalf or even help him financially. He needs to do that so that he can grow up and become a responsible young man. However, both parents, Musa Mseleku and Umayeni, they do support Umpumelo's decision of being a polygamist man or young man, because he's actually 21 years old. Musa Mseleku went to visit Umacele in town, and their daughter Owami came through. She asked that her parents could just buy her a Rolls Royce or rent them a Rolls Royce for matric dance, and she asked her parents to buy her a suit, not a skirt, for her matric dance. Anyway, Mzansi, that's it from Musa Mseleku's polygamous marriage of family. Uthando Nesthembu season 6 episode 5. Till I see you again, please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell below for the latest Ukhozi. Till I see you again, bye bye.